Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start. Time for the mission. Get ready.
We can land here.
Just made landfall. Shit. Oh, fuck.
First blood.
Shit, shut up. Couple people done it. Oh, fuck. Shit.
Engaging the enemies. Enemy down.
But seen that doing it a few times. We bits.
Engaging the enemy.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Oh, fuck.
Where you squeeze more than the bullet, so shorter than the gun.
See?
The terminal is almost ready.
I'm gonna do one more for sure.
The safe zone is collapsing.
See what's the screen?
Airdrop has been delivered.
Mm.
Using bandages
The
now.
revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Seen a few of these dudes on before. Oh, I guess we better get it. Always behind us. Shit.
Using bandages now.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Airdrop is coming.
Oh, sweet.
Using bandages now.
Well, I've done there for another 2 minutes. Yeah, not at all. We're in a safe zone. Nothing. There's nothing in there really.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Engaging the enemy.
Shit.
I've been hit.
What did he have?
We had 9. We had a 5mm 18.
Fuck, I like the sound of the info.
That sounds good, really.
Eh?
That doesn't sound good. Sounds like a little teeny enough. Might be worth finding the helicopter somewhere else. Looks like we're down in a shit spot.
Eh?
I don't know where the fuck it
Eh?
is.
Chee-chee.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Follow the airdrop. Oh, shit. That's what I did.
I'm glad you bloody jumped in the river because I didn't know where the hell it was.
Let's get the stuff in it. Come grab it.
Oh, fuck, I'm getting shot.
Engaging the enemy. Using bandages now.
Oh, well, now I need to find a place to use them.
Oh, should we go somewhere or just gap it here?
Might just fucking jump out of the helicopter and land on the bridge.
Alright, sounds good. Land somewhere. Oh, it's not even on finishing the bridge.
Zombies incoming.
I'm gonna have to move from there. Try and find a nice high spot. Alright.
almost ready.
Stay with them,
I'll just try and land on the top of those pods. Alright, I just jumped.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Were you it?
We're right above you on the top.
Oh, right on the top.
Yeah.
I'm not chasing anyone down there.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Yeah, they on the ground.
Yep. Staying towards the road.
Engaging the enemies.
What? Can't see them.
Engaging the enemies.
We're gonna go over below.
Yeah.
Enemy down. Enemy eliminated.
No, he needs to be real. But he can't get us. Well, he might be able to, but...
There's one in that brown building at 293. Oh, that's something like we're not going.
Damn. What a pity we're gonna have to move here.
So you said 6 and we'll have to move. Over it is.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
We're gonna have to jump.
Zombies incoming. Engaging the enemies.
The safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop has been delivered. The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Sorry, yeah. Couldn't see where it was coming from.
Oh shit, there's nobody on it.
Oh, yeah, I just running around in circles. What's he doing?
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. I'll stop.
Oh, Oh, look at that crate drop right over there. And that's what's going to end.
Down to the last 5
Unless you
teams.
want to take a run over there.
We got sets on it. It is going to end this.
See, can you see someone running up to it? Just running past the bus stop.
The last revive flight will arrive in 1 minute.
No, no, he's by that tree. Got 44 seconds.
What's going on?
What was that?
Nothing.
From where?
I don't know, but he's just been good. Can make a run for the end.
Yeah, if you want.
There he is.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
I've been hit.
Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory.
Is that the one out of the door?
Oh, we've got 5 seconds, but we're going to have to run.
Oh, why did I take the good one?
The safe zone is collapsing.
Guess what I wanted to take it into.
There he is.
We have a winner.
We got a win on the team. Sorry.
Don't stop recording yet.
Oh, 6 kills apiece.